Hey everyone, it's Yamna here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're someone who loves giving your home that cozy yet aesthetic touch, then you're going to love today's video. We're talking all about mirrors, not just for checking your outfit, but for adding personality, light, and style to your space. I'll be showing you 3 beautiful mirror styles that can instantly transform any room. Okay, let's start with this one, probably my favorite. Just look at how stunning this mirror is. The Arabic calligraphy around the edges makes it feel like a piece of art rather than just decor. If you have a minimal space, something like this adds meaning and culture. Now, this one gives completely different vibes: soft, elegant, and cozy. The gold frame and arched top create such a warm aesthetic. It fits perfectly in bedrooms or dressing corners. And now for something bold and modern, the black wavy mirror. This one's a total statement piece. It's playful, trendy, and fits perfectly in minimalist or artistic spaces. So those were my 3 favorite mirror styles: artistic, cozy, and modern. Each one has its own charm, depending on the kind of mood you want your space to have. And if you want to enhance your room uniqueness, so don't forget to watch my other videos where I introduced new 2025 wall clock ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more decor and lifestyle ideas. See you next time.